Today we are going to discuss a very easy and interesting topic, that is blood relations. As you can see, I have already prepared here a chart based on generations. Here generation 1 is represented by our grandparents, that is our grandfather or grandmother. Next is parents and in-laws like father, mother, uncle, aunt, or in the question it may be given as father-in-law or mother-in-law. Next is siblings or spouse. Siblings is used to denote our brothers or sisters. Next, spouse is used to denote husband or wife. Next is children, that is son, daughter, or next generation can be of nephew or niece. Nephew and niece are children of our brothers or sisters. Next is grandchild. In the question, it may be written as grandson or granddaughter. Now, how we are going to solve the questions? So, I am here showing some basic symbols that we are going to use when we will solve the questions. Symbols that we are going to use are, if I am going from upper to upper generation, for example, Ram's father. Now, father denotes the upper generation than us, so we are going to show it with an upward arrow. Now, Ram's sister. Brothers and sisters are of same generation, or Ram's wife. Ram and his wife will be of same generation. This arrow will be used to denote the people belonging to the same generation. An arrow pointing to downward we use to show the lower generation, that is Ram's sons, Ram's daughters. Next, for a male member, for example, if in the question it is like A is brother of B. So in the question if it is written A is brother of B, this clearly show that A is a male member. So we are going to represent it with a star. And for the female member, we are going to use a dot. The benefit of using these symbols will be we do not have to read the question again and again. By reading the question at once, we will mark and it will help to solve the questions very fast and with very ease. So now let's solve some questions based on blood relation. First question I have written here is, pointing to a person, Raju said, he is the only brother of my father's mother's daughter. How is person related to Raju? And here you are given 4 options. First, start preparing chart. Raju said, I am writing here. First, Raju. He is the only brother. The person to whom Raju is pointing is, he is the only brother of my father. So first, Raju's father, upper generation. So a arrow pointing upwards. Father's mother, daughter. So Raju's father and mother's daughter are of same generation. It is written he is the only brother. He is the only brother of the person. So his mother has only 2 child. So to whom Raju is pointing? Clearly Raju is pointing to his own father. So option B is our correct answer. Sometimes you will see the questions based on the pattern with symbols like A plus B denotes A is the mother of B. Multiply here denoting father of B. So and question will be asked based on these. For example, here it is asked, which of the following means S is the son of T's daughter? I believe the best way to solve the questions of this pattern is by looking at the options. Okay, S is the son of T's daughter. From above you can see daughter. Not equals to is used to denote daughter. First look at the option. If that symbol is there, only in the last option not equals to sign is there. But it is between S and N. This shows S is the daughter of N. Okay, and we want T's daughter. Not satisfying our case. Next, it can be possible that T is mother or father T is mother or father of any person given in the option. It can be any option X, Y, Z. T can be mother or father because it is not mentioned the name of T. Look at the option mother or father. For the mother or father, we are using the symbol of plus and multiply. So select from the option where the symbols plus and multiply are used with T. So in all the four options, we can see that either there is plus or equal or multiply, and after plus and multiply the name written is M. So it is clear that M is definitely T's daughter. Okay, S is the son of T's daughter. So M is the mother of S. For using M is mother of S, denoting mother, the symbol is plus. Symbol will be M plus S. Now look in the option where M plus S is there. So last two options rejected. Our answer will be either A or B. Now look at the difference between A and B. Only plus and equals to difference is there. Now plus is used to denote mother. S is the son. He is the he is the male member of the family. So he cannot be mother. So A option also rejected. Our answer is option B. So I hope you are able to understand this. Next is A, B, C, D, E and F are 6 members of a family. Now start preparing the chart along with reading the question. A is the mother of B. A is the mother of B. Upper generation. A is female member. Denote with a dot. Who is husband of D? Now B is husband of D. So definitely B is a male member. Husband of D. D is also a female member. Next is F is the brother of one of the parents of C. Till now we don't know who is C. So let's put this line on hold. Next is D is daughter-in-law of E. D is daughter-in-law. Since A is mother, this definitely show E and A are husband and wife. Since D is daughter-in-law of E. So E is father of B. He is also a male member. Next, and has no siblings. D has no brother or sister. Next, C is the son of D. The son of D is C, again a male member. Now come back to the line that we have left. F is the brother of one of the parents of C. F is the brother of either B or D. But in the question it is clearly mentioned that D has no siblings. Means F is brother of D. Same generation again. Here F denotes brother of B and D denotes wife of B. Okay. First question is, how is C related to A? Now see, C is son of B and A is mother of B. So A is clearly grandmother of C, or we can say C is grandson of A. So option B is correct. Next it is asked, how many male members are there in family? Look here, marking the star and dot helps in solving the question like this. We have used here the symbol star to denote male members. So now start counting. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 male members in the family. Next it is asked, how is F related to D? F is D's husband brother. F is D's husband's brother. So F is clearly brother-in-law of D. Option B is our correct answer.